In this video, we will learn how to insert table in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint, and here I'm going to add one more slide. So just right click on the slide and you can add here the new slides. Okay. So I add here the one new slide, but I want here the blank slide. So I just go to the home tab and click on the new slides option, and here you can see the option the blank slide. Just click on the blank. Now you can see the your blank slide. Now here I am going to insert the table. To insert table, go to the insert tab. In tables group, have a tables option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the row and column manually. You can see the preview on the slide. The table is showing, so this way. Just select and click on to insert the table. When you table insert in Microsoft PowerPoint, you can see the table design tab also added with this table layout tab also added. So both tab you can use it to table design and your table layout. So in table design have a number of options to design your table. You can change your table style. Just click on this table style just arrow and select your this table style those you want. You can see the preview on here on slide of the table. So I select this one. Okay, so here I changed my table styles. Now you can use the different option, the first column, then last column. You can see the changes here, the column, then total row also added here. Okay, so this is a way you can change this here. If you want borders, just click on the border. I click on the all border. You can see the all border is showing. If you want to drag and resize it, you can easily resize here. Just drag on. Okay, so these are the some option you can use in table design. So and in table layout have some different option. Okay, if you want to insert the left, just click on the insert left column. If you want to insert right column, you can insert the right column. Insert the below row, you can insert the below row. Insert the above row, you can insert the above row. Okay, so this is a way. So I just use here the Control Z. Okay, now again I just click on this table and go to the table layout. If you want to delete any row or columns or table, you can delete here, the delete option available. Okay, just click on the delete column. The selected column will delete it. Okay, if you want to delete the row, just click on the delete row. You can see that one row is deleted. Okay, and if you want to cell size change, you can see the cell size group also available. You can enter the cell size and you can change here. If you want to merge the any column or row, you can merge here easily, merge group. Okay, here the table size also you can change it. You can just drag it and you can change here, and you can use this table size group also to change the height and weight of the table. Okay, you can arrange the table also, and alignment you can use this alignment for your table. Okay, so these are the some option in table layout available, so you can use it easily. So this is a way you can insert the table in PowerPoint. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.